Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to use multi-tool in Audacity and for what purpose multi-tool is used in Audacity software. If you don't know how to install your Audacity software or you don't know how to use different tools in Audacity software, then please visit our YouTube channel and you can also check our video description for more details. So let's get started and let's learn how to use multi-tool in Audacity software. As you know, Audacity is used to record or edit your audio file. It's a free software, so you can use it and you can watch our previous tutorials to learn it professionally. So first of all, open your Audacity software. Now you can import your audio file to activate your multi-tool option. So first of all, I will import audio. Same process will be repeat for importing audio. Now you can see that our audio is imported in our Audacity software. So you can see that I have already teach you about how you can use selection tool, envelop tool, draw tool and zoom tool. Now in this short tutorial, I will teach you how you can use this multi-tools option. If you press F6 from your keyboard, it will automatically activate this multi-tool option. Now I will click on this multi-tool option and you can see that our track looks changed. The multi-tool function is basically activate all these tools at the same time. Now we have command over zoom, select selection tool, envelop tool or draw tool. So if I click on this line, now you can see that our envelop tool is working. So you can change its pitch or volume of your track. Here you can see that envelop tool is working. So if I click on that area, now you can see that we can easily select track of our choice. So here you can see that we have two options, selection tool or envelope tool are working properly. So if we zoom in our track, now you can see that the draw tool is working. So as you know, multi-tool is basically activating all our tools simultaneously. So you can use it when you are editing your track. You don't know, you don't want to click one by one on different tools. Then you can click on multi-tool and use multi-tools in your editing process. So I will zoom out this track and here you can see that the changes will appear. So this is the short tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.